Alright, so how do you give thanks to your favorite video creator in YouTube? First, let's go to youtube.com. Let's go to the search bar and search for our favorite video content creator. Let's go to Tigerbug Motovlog's page and subscribe to Tigerbug Motovlog. Click the bell to get this notifications. Every time he uploads, you get notification. And let's browse his videos. He has a lot of long videos and short videos, so let's just pick one. Let's pick this 14-minute video. So recently, YouTube gave us viewers a chance to thank our favorite content creators in YouTube by sending them thanks, super thanks. This is the dollar sign with a heart. Okay, so if you click that, we have several choices of how much we will send. For this instance, the first button is 50 pesos. It's about less than $1. Okay, second button 125, third button 250, fourth button that's 1,250. Then after that, let's just click buy and send. Then this window comes up. We can either use credit card or debit card, PayPal, and GCash. But there are some countries that doesn't have GCash. Here in the Philippines, we have GCash. So let's try that first. Okay, let's choose GCash and then buy. Continue. You go to a window wherein you have a QR code, and then you use your cell phone to scan that QR code so that you can access, and then that will redirect you to your GCash app in your cell phone. Another choice is by using PayPal. Okay, so let's use PayPal to give thanks to Tigerbug Motovlog. Just enter your email or mobile number. You log into your PayPal and then send Tigerbug Motovlog a super thanks. Okay, the last option is by using a credit or debit card. Then let's click buy again, enter your card number and other details. Okay, so there it is. You have three choices of sending super thanks to your favorite content creator, especially to Tigerbug Motovlog. You got credit cards, you got PayPal, you got GCash. I mean, there's a lot of choices in your country, whether here in the Philippines or anywhere abroad. You can send in some support to Tigerbug Motovlog channel. Again, this is Tigerbug. Do what you love and love what you do.